Hey friends, welcome back to John Drinks. Today we are making the Martinez. The Martinez is made with equal parts of gin and sweet vermouth. And then add a little bit of Marchino Liquer and orange bitters and you have yourself a drink. We can argue if it's a Manhattan made with gin or if it's a Martini made with sweet vermouth, but it is just as tasty nonetheless. The origins of the Martinez are very unclear. One of the believings is that the famous bartender Jerry Thomas made this for one of his patrons who were on their way to travel to the city of Martinez. The city of Martinez, though, on the other hand, insists that a local bartender concocted this delicious drink. What is certain, though, that the first appearance of this recipe was in 1884. The Modern Bartender's Guide, written by O.H. Bryan, though it's very likely that the recipe predated the book by a couple years. Though I think the best way to ponder over the origins of the drink is to discuss it while enjoying one. So let's make a Martinez. In our mixing glass, we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of your choice of gin. Today I'm going to use Tanqueray and 1.5 ounces of sweet vermouth. Today I'm trying Lionello. This is my first time trying this vermouth, so I'm excited to try it in a brand new recipe. 1/2 ounce of Maraschino liqueur and 2 dashes of orange bitters. After that, we will add our ice, and we're gonna give this a stir for about 30 to 40 seconds. We're gonna grab a chilled glass and then give this a strain. Classic garnish is an orange twist. There is your Martinez. And that is the Martinez. A lot of orange on the nose. It's very sweet. It is not dry at all. You get the sweet vermouth and the maraschino is very forward too. It almost masks up the gin. I don't taste any of that juniper coming through. There's a lot of orange in this drink. Between the bitters and the essence, it's very orange up front. Actually enjoy this one quite a bit. And there is a lot of ABV in this, but it is so sweet and you don't taste much of it at all. That's the Martinez. If you want to see more, remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you want to see a specific drink on here. Until next time, thanks for watching and cheers.